Hello everyone. In this short video, I would like to talk about an important term, that is research. To understand this word, first we have to understand the another word, that is search. What is search? Try to find something by looking or otherwise seeking carefully and thoroughly. Thoroughly means we have to search something from the database, we have to search something from Google. So these are many things which we are doing on our daily basis. So that is searching something which is already existing. Now I would like to talk about another term, that is research. So searching again. Why we have to search? Why we have to do research? Because we want to build some new conclusions, new facts based on the existing literature. So in this definition, you can see the systematic investigation. We have to conduct systematic investigation through which we have to find out, or we have to establish some of the facts based on the existing literature, and also we can build up some new conclusions. So when we do generally research in the PhD or masters, we have to look for a literature and we have to find out the research gaps, and based on those gaps we have to find out the limitations or challenges in the existing study or existing research. Then based on our experience, whatever knowledge we have to try to implement something new or try to design new approach which could be useful or which could mitigate those challenges or problems. And these kind of new solutions which we can build up using our latest knowledge or latest technologies, and to solve these existing problems, to tackle these kind of problems. So this is basically a research. Research means we have to investigate systematically, and it is also like creative and systematic work undertake to increase the knowledge. So through research we can collect data, we can organize that data, we can analyze, and through this we can build up the new solution which can solve the previous shortcomings or limitations. And this research is ongoing, so there is no starting point and there is no ending point. It is ongoing. We have to improve the existing things by utilizing our newly learned knowledge or skills. So I hope you can understand this is a very simple definition of or simple explanation of term research. Thank you. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for future giveaways. Thank you.